This is Bird. Bird's got 2 pounds of bacon. He's going to eat in less than 5 minutes, hopefully. Hopefully. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And he just can't hide it. Come on, man. You at 26 seconds. Yeah. 30 seconds. Told you wanted. Oh, he's got 5 minutes. That's why I said slower than 5 minutes, make him eat faster. Or less than 5. Sorry, guys. I'm not politically correct. He's at a minute almost. 5 seconds to a minute. There's 14 in the pack. You had a minute. 2 pounds of bacon. 14 slices in the pack, 28 slices of bacon. And less than 5 minutes. We're at a minute. The bird eating bacon. Ain't that funny? If that was some macaroni and cheese, it done been gone. No, that's cheap. Almost 2 minutes.
I think the pregnant lady can help.
Lucky this isn't live, or I'd ask the people of YouTube. Also, I want to give a good shout out to all of my subscribers, all 22 of you. I mean, I know that's not like tremendously a bunch of people, but still, that's 22 people. Yeah, thank you. We appreciate it. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I'd say he's got about half of it gone. Maybe not. Matt Stoney, if you happen to see this video, can you eat 2 pounds of bacon faster than 5 minutes? If so, give a shout out to Jones Racing, RTV. Let us know whether you can do it or not. I'll probably tag you in this video, but I don't know. I like watching your videos. You're pretty quick. Pretty quick, man. Yeah, put your chain in before you rip it off, stupid. Watching football. Yeah, it's not even a real game. It's the Dolphins versus the Falcons. Falcons are pretty good. Dolphins suck. I'm a Panthers fan, of course, from North Carolina. Gotta be a Panthers fan. It only makes sense. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Mama, somebody yelling for you. Five minutes is not gonna happen. You better get to eating. So, Matt Stoney, can you eat 2 pounds of bacon faster than 5 minutes? Pretty sure you can. But do you accept the challenge is the question. The Toad, as they call you.
You lose Mike Pouncey and you go, no, the world's falling apart on top of my head. That was perfect.
4 minutes, 35 seconds. You could at least attempt to do 2 pieces at a time. Tell him. Fucking slacking.
Jackson coming off, making a nice
Bet if that had been a piece of chocolate cake, you'd ate that shit faster.
pace that we were talking to some of the Dolphins about it. They're subbing in and out.
58, 59, 0, 5 minutes. You suck.
The guy who played defense for the Dallas Cowboys.
Did not beat it. Come close. Pretty close. 2 pounds. It's gone. About, I don't know, 10 pieces left. 10, 12 pieces, something like that. Let's stop it. Or should we continue? I think we should continue. See if he peaks. I can't eat that much bacon. At all. Like, I eat bacon twice a year, maybe. I'm not a very big bacon person. Uh-oh. Your mom is calling back.
Just a chat. Don't waste your minutes talking about the cat. All about how dad has got
Yeah, I don't think you get it. Hello.
Maxey over there, 4 bowls each of the last 3 years, and he's had a lot of problems with those hips. I believe surgery on both hips
what's
at one
wrong?
time or another. So Anthony Steen comes in the game now,
Right.
the ball's up his shoulders. They're still hoping Pouncey is back for opening day, but they're really not sure at this point.
Doesn't that look like a face of enjoyment?
It was a fun.
Before the game, and he was in very good spirits and pretty optimistic that he had the opener, maybe the second game of the season. He says that hip is just really bruised, that someone fell on it. And
Yeah, that was a
he's surgical
K&N
care
air cleaner that it was holding up the phone.
But you know these guys, they tend to run optimistic like crazy.
You've heard that story before, Michelle.
Oh, a little stringy there. He doesn't do fatty pieces. I tried to cook it as crisp as possible, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's pretty much guaranteed he's not going to throw up, but it's 7 minutes in. So,
I won't.
yeah, he failed. 5 minutes, 2 pounds of bacon, and definitely didn't make it.
I tried, folks.
We tried. Alright, y'all, that's it. Just a little fun video. See y'all later. Deuces.